What's going on, guys? Logan here for a new video, and as many of y'all know, my house flooded during Harvey. I got about 10 feet of water, and it's kind of funny because it was on my birthday, August 29th. So I spent my birthday at a Best Western while my house was getting flooded with 10 feet of flood water. But Hurricane Harvey was really devastating. Like I said, I got 10 feet of water inside, so that means like my ceilings came down. Anything that was on the first story that wasn't like metal or really hard wood was just ruined. And I lost just about all my possessions. Anything that I couldn't fit in my Mustang and take with me to the hotel, I lost. Yesterday I was cleaning my yard. I was over there just picking up some of those sticks over there, and I saw something shiny in the ground, and I went over there and I picked it up, and it was my original Mustang key I had. Well, it was my original spare key I had. And I find it so ironic that I found this now because I just tried to trade my car in, 2 days ago, and it just so happened to be that I couldn't get that car that day because something was wrong with the exhaust. So I'm not a really superstitious guy, but maybe this is just a sign that I need to stick with my 2012 GT. And look at this. This thing was buried for the last 9 or 10 months, however long ago Hurricane Harvey was. Look at this. It still works. That is awesome. I cannot believe that this thing was buried for like 10 months. It still works. I really just assumed that I threw this away, or it just got thrown away along with the majority of all my other possessions, but I'm really glad that I found it. And I know y'all are probably thinking, okay, this is just a key, but when you lose everything, these little tiny things you find, it really means a lot, at least to me. But like I've said in the past, Instagram saw it first. I actually posted a picture of this online, so if y'all want to get a little sneak peek into some of my videos, go ahead and follow my Instagram. It's BubbaBlue843. And the 843, that actually comes from Charleston. I actually graduated from Timberland High School out there in Macedonia. Well, I lived in Macedonia, but Timberland was actually in St. Stephen's. So with all that being said, I am out of the market for a new car. I am definitely going to keep this 2012. So if anybody knows any kind of good performance shops around Houston, preferably like in the Conroe, Woodlands, Tomball area, comment down below and I'll definitely check them out because I am ready for this thing to have serious horsepower. I want to get into the 10s. I mean, I haven't gotten to the 11s yet, but I want to get into the 10s. I really want to have fun with this car. But guys, I really do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it and please subscribe. And as always, have a great day.